In this video, you will learn how to enter time on the Workday app. To enter time on the Workday app, follow these steps. First, open the Workday app on your mobile device and log in with your work credentials. Next, from the home screen, tap on the Time or My Time section. This option may vary depending on your company settings, but it's mostly time found in the main menu. Next, select Enter Time or a similar option. Then, choose the date and enter the number of hours worked for that day or specific shift. You may be asked to type the specific type of work or project you are working on, if the company requires it. If you're using a timesheet method, then you may be able to see a table with rows for each day or shift. Fill in the hours you worked for each row or day. Next, save your entries after adding your time. There may be an option to submit your time for approval if required by your employer. Note, your company may have specific guidelines for entering time, like predefined categories for your work hours, so always check with your HR if you are unsure. In some cases, your hours may automatically be tracked if your company uses the Workday time function. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.